no.
Yeah. How about $20 a week for the rest of time?
Yeah.
She's a little dusty. She's definitely been in the hangar for a while. Tires are all still round. A few dings in the fabric in the roof there. Okay, you ready? Yeah. Okay, welcome to Foxy the Cub. We'll see if we can get a nice start here. It is hot. We were just running it, so I'm just going to go mixture rich. Left mag only for the start. Battery master on. EFA's on, so we have a little bit of information about what we're doing. Starter up. Heel brakes are on. I'll pump the throttle once because it's hot. That's probably all it needs. And crack. And let's see how that goes. Idle's nice. It's a nice float plane idle, 500 RPM. It was running rough